This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Play Store app, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi of course, then at the search bar input the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can either install it directly from the search results or open its app page and tap at the install button over there. Doesn't matter what method you'll go for really. Once the app was successfully downloaded, you gotta launch it real quick, then undergo a very simple setup procedure. So firstly, once the continue button becomes available over here, you will need to tap on it obviously, so let's wait a little. So tap at the continue button over here. Then choose if you want to enable notifications from Opera, or you can skip the step and deal with them later. The same applies for setting Opera as your default browser app. And finally, at this page you can either customize the data collection preferences for Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.